If you've been around phone arena for long enough, you may have seen those folding smartphone concepts, most notably the one from Samsung, where a single screen folds down the middle, transforming the device from a mini tablet to a classic smartphone and vice versa. The ZTE Axon M is built around that same idea, but realizes it through a much more straightforward approach. Basically, it's a foldable dual-screen Android smartphone with two 5.2-inch displays held together by a hinge. It must be pointed out that the ZTE Axon M is neither a concept, nor a prototype. In fact, you can get one from AT&T today for $725. This also gets you a decent set of specs, including a Snapdragon 821, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage, all packed in a body made of glass and metal. But ultimately, is the Axon M a multimedia and multitasking powerhouse, or is its dual-screen design mostly a gimmick? We used it as a daily driver to find out. In the box: ZTE Axon M, USB-C to USB charging cable and wall adapter, micro USB to USB-C adapter, SIM tool, getting started guide and warranty information, interface and performance. The Axon M's interface is built on Android 7.1.2, but thankfully ZTE is guaranteeing an update to Oreo 8.0. Overlaid with its own skin and paired with apps from both ZTE and AT&T, the OS isn't the most beautifully designed, erring more on the side of stock Android, but sometimes with even less color. The messaging app, for instance, takes on the dull green color as its main color scheme, and doesn't allow for personalized colors for different contacts as Android Messages does. The most unique aspect of the interface is, of course, using the two screens simultaneously. All available screen modes are activated through the M button, which is an additional soft key added to the navbar. The list of modes includes Single Mode, where only the main screen is activated. Dual Mode, which enables the utilization of two independent screens and multiple instances of certain apps, such as Google Docs. Extended Mode. As we hinted already in the design section, it is used to stretch content across both displays, as if the phone had one huge screen only. Mirror Mode, which duplicates the same content on each screen. Furthermore, a set of gestures is built into the interface to make toggling and managing apps quicker. While in Dual Mode, you can use a 3-finger swipe across both screens to swap an app from one display to the other, a useful and generally swiftly executed task. If, for instance, you're in Extended Mode and would like to push content to one side to make room for another app, simply swipe one finger to the left across the navbar. Then, when you're done multitasking, you can swipe to the right to extend the leftmost app once more. In terms of performance and fluidity, general navigation will serve you decently well, apps typically open quickly, and swapping is just as prompt. Unfortunately, toggling screen modes can often be a stuttery and unresponsive affair. Taking some time to refine the transitions and speed up reaction times when changing modes would have been much appreciated, as there never seems to be an instance when lag and unresponsiveness aren't a factor.